Hey, what is up, you guys? And today I'm playing a little bit of Animal Jam, just like, I don't know, 2 minutes or something, either or not. But I'm so excited for this because I just got the game literally yesterday. Yeah. So, now, let's see. Okay, start, please. I do have my own character right now. Oh my god! Loud! My character's bunny. That's gonna be 3,000 insects in one night. Nope, that's not true. I don't believe that. Okay, there's my character. I know I'm not usually like this. I'm not usually this color. Hippo sweat is red. That's not true. I swear that's not true. Okay. So let's just make this load. Here goes. Hey, let me move. I go so fast. Look how fast I go. Hi, people. I'm just gonna write something ready. Meetings. Wait. Buddies. Okay. Thanks. Oh, you're welcome. Reason? What's reason? Okay. What is this? BRB. Okay, that was fun. I just said, your animal's awesome, which it really is. It was cool. You could fly. What the heck? Who wouldn't want to fly? Raccoons are able to hurt. Never mind. What is this way? What is over here? Oh my gosh! What's in here? What's in here? It takes too long to load. Way too long. Let me guess, you're going to say a boring fact again. The black mamba gets its name from... Be quiet, Donald. You probably couldn't hear him. So. Look at my dance moves. Wait, I'm actually going to dance. Oh yeah. Look at me go. Look at me go. Wait, ready? Wait. Well, let's try and move around and play. Done yet? No, let's not even move. What's this? Oh my god! Wait, I'm gonna be DJ. I'm gonna be DJ. DJ. Let's go. Let's go meet other people. Let's do a game.